Bruce, how did these people memorize all these formulae, value earned formulae?
Second.
Bruce, how did the students memorize all these?
Nothing. I don't think you're in the picture. Wait, I got it away. I'm not in the picture. Okay.
Bruce, how did these students memorize all these earned value formulae?
Well, one of the things I do is when I give them the study guide, I have them all listed here. You know, all of the ones they might possibly need are listed here. And I teach them some techniques in class.
Oh, do you have any other tricks for people who struggle with memorization, like myself?
Yeah, there is one trick I give them. I teach them this in class, and I encourage that they do that when they get into the exam. So they're given 4 sheets of paper. I encourage them to take one of those and just like on the top half, do the following. I'll show you how to do it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so typically they're given these 3 values: the actual cost, the planned value, and the earned value.
Okay.
And their job is to try to figure out the cost variance, schedule variance, CPI, the cost performance index, or the schedule performance index. So I teach them a technique for doing that. I'm going to teach it. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So what I'd like you to do is down the middle, write down earned value, EV, 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 4 times. Leave a little space between each one, yeah. Good. So of the 3 that we're given, you've already written the first one down. Now we've got 2 more to work with: AC, actual cost, and PV, planned value. So from the first one, I want you to subtract actual cost. All right, so you've got half of an equation. And is this a index or is it a variance?
Variance.
Now, why would you say it's a variance?
Because it's subtraction.
Right, so it's a variance. So you have 2 options. Is it cost variance or is it schedule variance? What do you think?
Cost variance.
Why?
Well, because cost is right in the equation.
Exactly. All right, so that would be cost variance, CV. All right. Now, from this second one, I want you to subtract the value we haven't used yet, which is planned value. So, same question, is that a variance or is it an index?
Variance.
Okay. And which variance? We've already used cost variance. What's left?
SB.
Schedule variance, yeah. So, must be schedule variance. All right, so we've got the first 2. Now I want you to do something different. I want you to divide that number by actual cost. Good. Now, what do we have here? Is it a variance or is it an index?
Index.
Okay, why is it an index?
Because of the division.
Good. And you have 2 choices. It's cost performance index or schedule performance index. Which one is it?
Cost performance index.
And why?
Cost is right there.
Right there, very good. All right, so that equals CPI. All right, next one, we're going to divide it by the value we haven't used, which is planned value. And what do we have? Index or variance?
Index.
And which index?
Scheduled.
Because that's the only one left, right?
Right.
So equals schedule performance index. So within a few minutes, you can create the 4 main formulae that you would need in earned value. The other ones, you're just going to have to memorize.
Very nice trick.
Thank you.